Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on PayPal as goods and services. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you'll be able to see the first thing is if you pay somebody through goods and services, they will incur a fee of 2.9% plus a FIS fee of 30 cents to 49 cents. Now, essentially, the reason for this is because you're going to get lots of protections when you pay through goods and services. You'll be able to get refunds on those. There's purchase protection, all of that stuff. So open up the PayPal app on here, and you can see at the very bottom center is send and request. You can tap on that. Again, I'm on an iPhone. You can do this on Android or computer. Go to paypal.com. Now, you can send and receive money to anyone. Let's choose Tyler here, my brother. And on here, I'm going to choose to send him $1. And let's say this was for pizza, and I'm going to hit send. Now, after I've done that, it pops up with this screen. It says I can send it from this bank account. And instead of friends and family, which doesn't charge a fee for me or the other person, I can switch this to goods and services. Keep in mind, by doing so, I won't be charged a fee, but the seller, aka the person that I'm sending money to, will be charged that fee of about 3% plus some change. Now, keep in mind on here, again, it says $1 and it's estimated to be delivered in seconds, and then the shipping address. Again, I'm not paying that fee, but the other person is paying the fee. Just hit the send button at the very bottom. You'll be able to go through and have seller protection, or buyer protection rather, if you wanted to cancel something or you don't get the service or they never ship you the item, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.